Hi, everyone. I'm going to be talking about our project called Great Opportunities Career Services and Day Program. This program provides services for adults with disabilities. This organization teaches leisure activities, career training, and placement. In this program, there are 200 adults that have a range of disabilities. The organization is comprised of 75 staff members, including a director, 2 assistants, directors, 3 occupational therapists, 30 job and life coaches, 20 teachers, 3 speech therapists, 10 assistants, a BCBA, and 4 RBTs and a psychologist. When developing programming for adults with disabilities, life skills is an important area to address in order to improve one's quality of life. An increase of knowledge in life skills allows adults to gain independence and can help with employment. The state has mandated an increase in life skills programming at Great Opportunities Career Services and Day program. The program offers a life skills class on Tuesdays, but they only have 25 adults who participate each week. The main issue is that clients tend to have a preference for leisure activities and employment activities, and staff members struggle to get the clients interested in the weekly life skills classes. The organization's concern is how they will increase life skills class attendance among the adults in their program.
Hi everyone, I'm Rena and I will be discussing the research background. The procedure of shaping, which focuses on reinforcing successive approximations of a target behavior, has been supported by research. In a 2007 article by Athens and Vollmer, they defined shaping as the gradual modification of some property of responding by differentially reinforcing successive approximations to a target operant class. In their study, shaping was used to increase academic engagement. Results from their study indicated that using percentile schedules to shape academic engagement was effective for all 4 participants. A study conducted by Walker and Buckley in 1968 used a positive reinforcement and shaping techniques to increase attending behavior in a 9-year-old student. The results from their study indicate that shaping techniques and positive reinforcement can be successful in teaching complex behaviors across settings and people, promoting generalization of skills. Shaping has been shown to be effective with a wide variety of individuals, including children and spanning to adults. Shaping has also been shown to be effective with both males and females and can be used in the community, home, and school settings.
Hi, I'm Katie C., and I'm going to talk about how to implement our program. This procedure will be implemented with the help of the board-certified analysts and registered behavior technicians that make up the staff of Great Opportunities and Career Services Day program. The program will be implemented using items that are reinforcing to our clients. Each client that is attending life skills class will have the opportunity to pick a token that they would like to exchange for tangible goods. A token can be gold coins or pictures of favorite characters. Any item that is reinforcing and can be exchanged for another good. Students will be prompted to attend life skills class once a week for an appointed amount of time. At each minute mark, a timer will go off in the classroom, and the teacher will give a verbal model of, "You've been in class for 1 minute, give yourself a token." The tokens can then be immediately exchanged for tangible goods. Before implementation, preference assessments will be done with students to select tangible reinforcement. The hope is that in-class behavior will be reinforced through token boards and tangible items.
Hi guys, I'm Katie. I'm going to be modeling how to use the token economy within the classroom. So the first step is to set up the expectation. So thank you for coming to class, guys. Today we're going to be earning our tokens. For every minute that you are in class, we will be getting 1 token. Once that we get all of our tokens, you get to go to store and then pick out a prize of your choice. Awesome. Step 2, you're going to want to set your timer. So for whatever condition it is that week, we're going to set the timer for modeling purposes. We're going to do 10 seconds. So you're going to set your timer. Ideally, you'll have your timer up on the board for the whole class to see. Once that it goes off, we're going to give them behavior-specific praise so that they know what they did that we want to see in the future. Great job being in class. You were in class for 1 minute, guys. So go ahead and then give yourself a token. You're going to model it for them up front so they can see exactly how to do that. You're going to have other people in the class that will be helping them to give themselves token and just monitoring that they're doing it correctly. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until they've gotten all of their tokens. And once they do, you can show them, great job, guys. You got all 5 tokens today. Class is all done, and go ahead and go to store and get your reinforcer. Thanks, guys.
Hi, everybody. I'm Emily Bestenbostel, and I will be talking about how using shaping with a token economy can help increase class attendance. In Great Opportunities Career Services and Day Program, students have a difficult time attending class. We can use shaping with a token economy to help students increase class attendance as well as duration. Shaping using a token economy is appropriate for our scenario because it's a primary tier intervention, and the primary tier is designed to be used with all members within a large group. By reinforcing approximations of the target behavior, which is increasing time in class, we can help our students reach the target goal of attending class more often, as well as staying in class for a longer duration of time. Since the students have a difficult time staying for the entire duration of class, we can set our initial target low, for example, for 5 minutes only. Once the students are successful at attending class for 5 minutes, we can increase the amount of time in class needed to receive reinforcement. By using this shaping procedure with a token economy, we will be able to systematically increase the duration of time spent in class. In addition, the implementation of the intervention will remain consistent. Consistency and feasibility is vital, especially in our scenario where there are multiple staff and a large amount of students. Staff should be able to easily implement this procedure because although the target duration of time will change, the concept is the same. Using this procedure will help students increase time spent in class and therefore also increase class attendance.
Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany. I will be doing a brief overview of the clinic-wide implementation plan. First, setting the contingencies and expectations of the intervention is an extremely important aspect prior to each class. Various materials will be needed for program staff to implement this Tier 1 procedure/intervention at the Great Opportunities Career Day Services. Materials will include an attendance sheet, materials for life skills tasks, tokens for delivery, and a written protocol of the intervention for the staff. Staff will arrange for materials to be available prior to the beginning of class, and they will also ensure that a visual timer and an expectation sheet of the behaviors that are targeted in the class are posted at the beginning of the classroom. Also, tokens will be provided for the end of class.
This is Emma again, and here are some final tips when using this intervention. First, make sure the items you use for reinforcement are motivating to the clients. If the intervention is not working, take a look at the reward items. The clients will likely not respond to the intervention if they are not motivated by the designated reinforcers. If this happens, sitting down with the clients and developing a list of items they like can help solve this problem. Second, staying contingent will be key. Clients need to understand what the expectations are, and staff members must be consistent each week. Staff members may need to tailor how the expectations are given to the clients, depending on the way they process and interpret language. Third, with shaping, it is okay to take a step back if need be. If you have a group of clients that are struggling to attend class for 10 minutes, it would be helpful to teach to attending class for 5 minutes until they meet criterion again. Shaping is a process that can take time and is not something that will happen overnight. Data should be collected each week and graphically displayed in order to determine effectiveness of the intervention. Using visual analysis will allow for time-efficient decision-making.